Now you are watching a essay about Golden Jubilee of Bangladesh. Introduction. I am Bhumika. Bangladesh celebrates its golden anniversary as an independent nation. March 26 marks the commemoration of the Independence Day of Bangladesh. It commemorates the country's declaration of independence from Pakistan on late hours of 25th March 1971. In our school, we are arranging a cultural events on the Golden Jubilee of Bangladesh. In this program, we will arrange some events to commemorate the heroic struggle and sacrifice in 1971. These are described below. Cultural events, Holy Quran recitation. At first, we will start our program with the recitation of Holy Quran. One of our student will recite the Holy Quran and another student will translate the Holy Quran. National anthem. After the Holy Quran recitation, all the members will sing national anthem. Everyone will sing the national anthem simultaneously. Welcome speech. Then the head teacher of our school will deliver a welcome speech for everyone. He will honor the chief guest with flower wreaths. Then he will tell everyone to pay an attention till last songs. The students will sing some songs on Bangladesh Independence Day, Golden Jubilee, etc. These will enchant everyone. These songs will commemorate the historical sacrifice of the freedom fighters in 1971. Poem recitation. Then the students will recite some poems on Golden Jubilee of Bangladesh, Bangabandhu, Bangladesh. These poems will remind us the heroic struggle and sacrifice in 1971. Drama. The students will present a play to everyone on the specific event of 1971, such as they will present a drama on the story of 1971. This drama will play an important role in remembering the independence war in 1971. Dance with song is another part of our program. Some students will dance with song to enrich the beautification of the program. Story. One of the students will tell us the whole events of independence were in 1971 at a glance. It will remind us the whole where. Guest speech. After the students' performance, the guests will deliver speech on the Golden Jubilee of Bangladesh, independence war, freedom fighter, sacrifice and struggle, development of Bangladesh, Bangabandhu, etc. President's speech. In the 11th hour, the president will deliver a speech on the whole program. He will deliver a speech about the performance, thanking everyone, etc. Finally, he will conclude the program. The ends. The event will come to an end with captivating fireworks as a group of children released hundreds of balloons into the sky while Tumi Bangla Dhruvotara played in the background. Conclusion. The celebration Golden Jubilee of Bangladesh is one of the best part of our life. We are so happy to celebrate this day. Hopefully we will be able to arrange a dynamic program on the Golden Jubilee of Bangladesh with the commemoration of the heroic struggle and sacrifice of freedom fighters in 1971. Thanks for watching. Do subscribe Open School YouTube channel for more educational updates. Stay home, stay safe.